Assalamu guys, this is Kamran from Dallas Halal Bus. Yes, it was long awaited. Finally, we made it to Karahi Boys. हमारे पास आपको दिखाने के लिए काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं. So let's go inside and we're going to show you a lot of stuff. So, number one, I'm going to tell you right now. Right now it's a weekday. ठीक है, so there's a good time for you to come. If you want to come and try it in peaceful time, stop by on the weekdays. Saturdays, Sundays are super packed. Come early, then enjoy it. Otherwise, you're going to have a wait time. And wait times are longer. So I'm not discouraging anyone to not come, but definitely come stop by. And we're going to come straight here. And we just right here, we have a owner. Assalamu alaikum sir, kya channel Parvez bhai?
How are you?
I'm going to give you this and we're going to go straight to the food. And we're going to talk about how you brought Karahi Boys to Dallas. MashaAllah, the people were waiting for it. And then we're going to talk more about it. How about we can go around the food?
No, first of all, thank you for coming.
Definitely.
Normally, I used to travel a lot.
Right.
So wherever I go, a lot of people, my colleagues, white or non-Pakistani or Indian, always ask me, hey, let's go to your place. And there was no place. So that was a concept behind the Karahi Boys.
Very
I
good.
had a wonderful experience visiting Karahi Boys corporate.
Yeah.
And then we enjoyed there, and that was
your motivation to bring
inspiration
it.
or motivation.
Very nice.
And now when I see, I don't know if you want to see
Definitely,
those,
let's take a look around, yeah.
You know, we just opened it. You see non-Desi guests here.
We got like all demographics.
All them. This is what I really enjoy. So
And the response is crazy.
Response is crazy. The one thing, you will have a real Pakistani Karahi taste.
Definitely.
And we bring meat every day fresh. There is no frozen stuff in our meal.
You guys heard it here. So no frozen stuff. And I can show you the videos. I was actually in the
Please
kitchen.
wait. When you come here, you want quick food?
No.
We cannot make a quick food.
Yes.
It's so fresh, it takes time.
It's going to take time and it's going to be amazing food. So are you going to come with me at the dining table so we can talk about the food?
Absolutely.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Let's walk here. So meanwhile, you can look around and show around how this place is. This is a beautifully crafted. और जो आपने जो इसका डिज़ाइन आपने जो इसको कैप्चर किया है फ्रॉम माशाल्लाह लेट्स हैव अ सीट हियर जो हमने डिज़ाइन कैप्चर किया हुआ है वहाँ से ऑल द वे फ्रॉम कनाडा वही डिज़ाइन आप यहाँ पे लेकर आए हैं विच इज़ अमेजिंग एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी कि इतनी ज़बरदस्त प्रीमियम डाइनिंग एक्सपीरियंस आप लोगों ने यहाँ पे करवाया है. क्या मैं आ रहा हूँ या फिर मैं स्नान के पीछे छुप चुका हूँ? बिल्कुल आ रहे हैं. वेरी गुड. तो सर अब ये बताइए हमें, आई वांट टू नो कि सबसे नंबर वन आपका टॉप फेवरेट क्या है यहाँ पे? Besides everything,
my favorite is dal. Dal and simply roti, plain roti. And now we just launched a paneer bite. You will be surprised.
I will definitely try that and I'll definitely stop by for that one. That's आपकी recommendation है. I'll definitely. Lahori.
Lahori fish is everybody's favorite. I don't want to name everything, but I gave you dal is my favorite.
Right.
Lahori fish. Whoever tried it,
definitely.
वो पंजाबी च कहते हैं जी स्वाद आ गया.
स्वाद आ गया नहीं. स्वाद आ गया. That's perfect. तो यार एक जरा
कोई सरदार भी आंदे हैं, कुछ लाहौर दे या पाकिस्तानी भी आंदे हैं.
आओ जी.
वो कहते हैं जी फिश खान दा मजा आ गया. That's very good feedback.
जब मैं सुनता हूँ ना कि I'm from Karachi, but जब मैं सुनता हूँ स्वाद आ गया तो मैं समझता कि सब चीज़ जो ना पार हो गई है. Everything's like 10 out of 10 out of 10 now.
Plus ये mainstream restaurants में है. Mainstream American standard.
Definitely.
आपने बहुत ख्याल किया है.
Yes.
कि आप इसकी स्पेस भी देख रहे हैं.
Yes.
It's not somewhere in the south side of a town.
Take a look around, like see the जो पाकिस्तानी कल्चर यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट किया हुआ है इन्होंने इतना खूबसूरत तरीके से कैप्चर किया हुआ है. There are like amazing pictures and all that. तो अब वापस जब हम लोग आते हैं ज़रा यहाँ पे टेबल ज़रा एक दो इन्होंने नई आपने डिश इंट्रोड्यूस करवाई है जो कि है चिट्टी कढ़ाई. चिट्टी कढ़ाई पे ज़रा आप फोकस करें, ज़रा हम इनको दिखाते हैं कि व्हाट इज़ चिट्टी कढ़ाई. तो बेसिकली है सम कोकोनट एंड ज़रा आप भी बता दें, मैं तो खाने वाला हूँ. आप
मतलब इसमें अभी हमने रिसेंटली इंट्रोड्यूस इस सेंस में कराई है, यहाँ नहीं. कढ़ाई बॉयज़ की ये है, हम लोग अभी भी सॉफ्ट ओपन है.
करेक्ट.
हम लोग वी आर एडिंग डिशेस एवरी डे.
राइट.
तो जब हमारी पूरी डिशेस हो जाएंगी, होपफुली वी विल ओपन फॉर पब्लिक
फॉर ग्रैंड ओपनिंग एंड ऑल दैट.
द होल डे.
तो ये अभी भी आप लोग को सैम्पलर नजर आ रहे हैं, मगर देयर बट यू आई फील लाइक यू गाइस आर वेरी रेडी बिकॉज माशाल्लाह जिस तरह का क्राउड आप लोग हैंडल कर रहे हैं, it's amazing the way you guys are doing
most it. जो सबसे ज़्यादा जो मुझे वो bothers me जब guest 45 मिनट इंतज़ार करते हैं and then if there is any issue in the food flow,
right,
and they get really upset, and that's what we are trying to control. We want to make sure your food is fresh,
Right.
your food is ready, and you have a flawless, wonderful experience.
They-
That is our intent.
I'm gonna tell you this: कि if you have that kind of presence, कि आप and you wanna have that kind of tolerance, कि you are willing to take this feedback and make it better. That's the way of success. That's a really big success.
I'm not saying because you are capturing some of the moments.
जी.
I tried my best to walk to every customer, every guest.
Yes.
And now we just opened. We have a few
Right.
guests. I already went to every table to
Yes.
make sure they are
और-
enjoying it and they are happy with it.
इसी बात में मुझे एक बार याद आ गई. Basically, any reviews that we got on our page, we already got your reviews, and they have mentioned that this thing specifically, that the owner is on every table. He comes to every table and check on every guest. And there's a guy behind us. He actually was here on Sunday.
Did I come to your table?
100%.
रोरा था, आपने उसको टॉफी दी थी, remember?
Look at that.
She was with
So-
the family there.
So
You see?
if you didn't capture them on the mic, so the kid was crying and he came and he gave something else to the kid, ताकि वो बच्चा थोड़ा सा calm down हो जाए.
Our idea is so
Yeah.
the guest can have a wonderful experience. It's not
Amazing,
about
yeah.
the food. I'm sure we all, our spouses make a wonderful food, but it's experience.
Oh yeah, 100%.
People can take from here.
Much needed. So another कढ़ाई was this is चरसी कढ़ाई, जो कि बहुत ही फेमस चल रही है आजकल. And we want to look into that. I mean, ये सारी चीज़ें मैं ऑफ कैमरा खाऊंगा, फिर उसके बाद एक अलग से रिव्यू आएगा, because there's so much to try. I cannot capture
Okay,
everything.
one feedback.
Yes.
A lot of you guys want more curry in it, more gravy. So what my head chef tells me, sir, we can always put more gravy, but then it won't be kadai, it'll be korma.
Yeah.
So please stick to the recipe. You will enjoy.
बिल्कुल. I think that's what the difference is कि लोग किस तरह expect करते हैं और क्या available है, तो they need to be get accustomed to what they want, what you guys are offering, you know. And this is what Karai Boys make it Karai Boys. ठीक है. 100%, right? आपने बिहारी भी introduce करवाया है.
You will like it.
I will definitely like. I will actually take a bite right now
Yeah.
while we're talking, because मुझे ना, मैं basically इस बात पे थोड़ा सा famous हूँ कि जब तक मैं खाते हुए कोई चीज़ बात करते हुए कुछ ना खाऊं, सुकून नहीं मिलता है. So
No, I want a real feedback, and I'm not.
I'm not gonna lie, this is good.
It's
very good.
not too soft. It's not kind of hard.
Yeah, exactly. It's not like falling off. मगर और ऐसा भी नहीं कि chewy नहीं है. It's a really good flavor, really good texture.
Try fish, Lahori fish bite.
और फिर जरूर try करेंगे.
Little bit chutney.
पहले मेरे को थोड़ा सा पानी.
I think one reason why I don't order bihari is because it falls off. It's too soft.
This is exactly what we are trying to do. We don't want. First, we make it fresh, and there is a time to marinate. When you do marination for a long time, exactly what you're saying.
Oh, this chutney is really good. मुझे स्वाद आ गया. मुझे स्वाद आ गया.
Fish is my favorite as well. I ordered fish last week and it was
Take one.
Please ever try.
Try.
Try करें, हाँ बिल्कुल.
Thank you so much. But yes, fish is your.
भाई आप ऐसे जब तक ऐसे नहीं खाओगे ना,
हम बिल्कुल स्वाद वाले स्टाइल से खाते हैं.
बिल्कुल wild style से खाना चाहिए. Yes, we are in the right nice place. Yes, we don't have everybody watching right now, except for the camera. So on that note, I wanna shorten this, but thank you very much, sir, for having
Thank
us.
you. Thank you,
but
sir.
please have a seat. We're gonna just hand it. Well, actually, yes, I know you have some other people to take care of, so I appreciate it. Thank you very much, sir. मेरा हाथ जो है, मैं
Have fun. Enjoy. Thank you.
definitely enjoy this. On that note, I'm gonna tell you guys to definitely stop by at Karai Boys. You know it. It is what it is. You know, I don't have to explain much, but thankfully they have actually graciously invited us, and हमने इनकी चीज़ें try करनी है अभी. उसका रिव्यू मैं आपको बाद में दूंगा, because whatever I have tried so far is amazing, and I know my cameraman and the other guy is crying right now because मैं खा रहा हूँ, ये नहीं खा रहे. So anyways, thank you for watching and Assalamu Alaikum.